I will say this for everybody, though. Trading is never linear. If you're going to come into the stock market, if you're going to come into any Discord group and stuff like that, I'll tell you this. This is my controversial opinion. Even if the trader at the top of the Discord group or whoever is calling out these plays is bad, it doesn't mean that you're going to fail. And even if the trader is really good, it doesn't mean that you're going to win. Discord groups like ours give you signals. We give you indications in market analysis as the market goes on. The commentary is very important. We can talk a lot about different things moving that can give you a better insight on how to trade. Actually, when I used to trade pretty much by myself, I used to listen to commentary from Discord groups just to hear what people were calling out and saying, because it's good to have other eyes on the market. You might be looking at something and I might saying, okay, look, BABA looks good. BABA moved up from 130 yesterday to about 138 right now. It looks really, really good. We have a new zone at BABA. BABA can reclaim 180 like it used to. I think long calls on BABA would be really, really good. And these type of things are what people don't understand. BABA dropped quite a bit. BABA has been in free fall since the beginning of February. I got crushed on my BABA calls. It was at 177, 178 at one point, and then just completely ran down. So there's a lot of room on upside for BABA and a lot of other stocks out there. AMD typically operates in a pop fashion. It pops up and then moves up. AMD above 200 is really good. AMD could run up to 220 if everything holds well. But once again, we had that massive pop and it didn't hold. So these are things that are really important to understand when you're in trading groups. You need to basically listen to people and have a lot of things, holding above 681. We're still looking good in the market right now. I'm looking for news constantly. I don't see anything that could stop this. There's a lot of war news. Market don't really care. The U.S. spends $5 billion on munitions in the first 2 days of Iran war. $5 billion. What? Stupid money. We're still pushing up. QQQ's moving a lot cleaner. We have still 616 for QQQ if this moves up. 613 is resistance zone. SPY, we have about 682.50 for us to kind of pull back on. So we shall see what happens here. We're moving up real nice. Our calls are up 100% on the SPY calls right there. And QQQ, we've averaged in. We got it at a 150 entry. We're about 65% right there. If this breaks 681, we still have more room to the upside. But to be honest, I think it'll start to hover around the 680 zone. I don't know if it'll continuously pop. It needs to kind of chill a little bit. Look at the green candles that we have here. It's like ridiculous. These green candles are ridiculous. Boom, boom. These are the 5 minute, okay? SPY at the top, QQQ at the bottom. Just ridiculous. Insane. MU at 414, looking crazy. Wow. AMD probably going to hit 205 here. A lot of the Mag 7 they're moving up a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Just probably a couple points on each one. And NVIDIA is really the big mover here. Should have grabbed NVIDIA calls. That would have been nuts. But all in all, pretty bullish day.